Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Rachio smart sprinkler schedules after Wi-Fi loss. Complete guide step by step clearly. If your Rachio smart sprinkler controller has lost its Wi-Fi connection, don't worry. You can easily restore your schedules. First, check your Wi-Fi network. Ensure it is online and functioning correctly. Restart your router if necessary. Next, access the Rachio app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section. Look for the Wi-Fi network option. Tap on it to view your current Wi-Fi settings. If you notice that the Wi-Fi is disconnected, select the option to connect to a new network. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Confirm the connection by selecting Connect. Wait for the controller to re-establish the connection. Once connected, check if your schedules are intact. If your schedules are missing, navigate to the Schedules tab within the app. You may find your previous configurations are still there. If not, you can set up your schedules again. Tap on the Add Schedule option. Fill in the required details such as days and times. Make sure to customize settings to suit your watering needs. Save your settings once you have entered all the information. After saving, head back to the Schedules tab. Verify that your newly created schedules appear. Finally, test your schedules by manually starting a watering session. This ensures everything is set up correctly. Now you are ready to enjoy a well-maintained lawn again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.